Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a little about myself, add yours template story on Instagram. So if you're looking for a little about myself, add yours sticker template, then let me show you how to find it and how to create it. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Next, you want to tap on search, and here you're searching for add yours stick with the S. And this is the account you're looking for, add your sticks. Now visit the profile of that account. Then here in the highlight section, you need to tap on December 23. And now this will show you the A Little About Myself template. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on add yours. This will now use that template and will take you to your story. Go ahead and take a picture. Now using text, go ahead and fill in all the text. So you want to go down the list and fill in all the details. And now once you're happy, go ahead and tap on your story and post that to Instagram. So there you go. That is how to create a little about myself, add your sticker template on Instagram. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.